Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Liaquat Ali and the topic of today's presentation is observation of cloud point and pour point of petroleum products. The presenter with me are Muhammad Umar, Liaquat Ali, Idris Salim and Afaq Zahid. The experiment of today is observation of cloud point and pour point of petroleum products. Objectives. Objective is observation of cloud point and pour point. Apparatus required for this is cloud point and pour point apparatus and temperature measuring device. Material under consideration are acetone, petroleum naphtha, dry ice and ethanol. Cloud point. The temperature of a liquid specimen when the smallest observable cluster of wax crystals first occurs upon prescribed conditions. This temperature is called cloud point. Pour point. The lowest temperature at which movement of the specimen is observed under prescribed conditions is called pour.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Umar and my registration number is 2018 CH244. Today I am here to discuss about pour and cloud point and the apparatus used in determining pour and cloud point. First we see what are pour and cloud point. When oil is cooked slowly, the temperature at which it appears hazy or cloudy is known as cloud point, and the temperature at which oil stops flowing or basically the flow ceases is known as pour point. The cloud and pour point indicate the suitability of lubricants in cold conditions. The lubricant should have a low cloud point and pour point at the operating conditions, i.e. lower than the operating temperature. Basically, operating temperature must be higher than compared to the total pour and cloud point. If the temperature is lowered, then the crystals must be separated out and may clog the filter screens in the fuel intake system. The high pour point will jam the machines. Let we take a sample in a test tube. As the temperature changes, the cloudiness is going to be appear, and here the two different phases will appear. Here is the pour point. The pour point depressants are used to allow the use of petroleum-based mineral oil at lower temperature. Basically, they will allow the use of oils at cold areas. The cloud and pour point apparatus is used to determine cloud and pour point. It has a flat bottom tube of 3 cm diameter and a 12 cm height. This is kept in a jacket which is cooled with the help of a freezing mixture, which can be either ice plus salt, or salt can be any like calcium chloride. It also contains two thermometers, a cork, a jacket, a test jar, the fill level at which our fluid will be filled, a gasket, a cooling bath, and a disk. The tube is half filled with oil. Using thermometer, the temperature is noted. With every degree fall of temperature, the tube is withdrawn for a moment to find out the cloudiness. The temperature at which gives the cloudiness or the highest temperature at which it gives the cloudiness or haziness is called a cloud point. We will still continue the process of cooling and the procedure is repeated. The temperature is noted when the oil does not flow for at least 5 seconds. Even when kept horizontal, the temperature is called pour point. For example, here there is no surface movement for at least 5 seconds. So here is the pour point. This is the cloud and pour point operator. At this part, the cooling mixture is filled. We have openings. In this opening, the test tube is kept. The test tube is kept in jacket. This is the mark at which our oil will be filled. And then it is closed with the help of cork with fitted thermometer. With every drop in temperature, we will check cloudiness and then the pour point. This is all for cloud and pour point operators. And that's all from my side. Thank you.
The ASTM standard which is used to calculate the pour point is ASTM D97 and the ASTM standard which is used to calculate the cloud point is ASTM D2500.7a. The apparatus which is used to calculate that point is shown in that diagram. Basically, this is the basket in which we can place the high tube to lower down the temperature of the lubricating oil which is placed in that glass jar, and then we can place that jar into the jacket, and then we can place the whole apparatus into that basket. The procedure is that first of all we can put out our lubricating oil into that glass jar, and then we can put that glass jar into the jacket, and then we can place the whole apparatus into that ice bar and continuously lower down the temperature of that ice bar. Basically, when we can continuously lower down the temperature, first of all we can calculate the क्लाउड पॉइंट। बेसिकली इसमें हमारे पास लेबोरेटरी में तीन बात होते हैं जिनकी तीन डिफरेंट रेंज होती हैं। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी कैन पुट आउट ओवर द जेटली ऑपरेटर्स इनटू फर्स्ट बार एंड लो डाउन द टेम्परेचर। अगर उस टेम्परेचर रेंज में हमारे पास क्लाउड पॉइंट आ जाते हैं, अब मसला ये है कि हमें कैसे पता चला क्लाउड पॉइंट आ रही है। हम अपने ऑपरेटर्स में से जो जेटेड है वो हम कंटिन्यूसली निकालते हैं और देखते हैं कि हमारे पास वहाँ पे वेट फॉर्मेशन होगी या फिर नहीं होगी, और वो टेम्परेचर जिस पे हमारे पास वेट फॉर्मेशन हो जाती है उसको हम कहते हैं कि ये हमारा क्लाउड पॉइंट है। सिमिलरली when we can continuously low down the temperature and the temperature at which this fluid ceases to flow is called pour point। बेसिकली इन दोनों का प्रोसीजर बिल्कुल सेम है। हम कंटिन्यूसली टेम्परेचर लो डाउन करते हैं और देखते हैं किस टेम्परेचर पे हमारा वेट फॉर्मेशन स्टार्ट हो गया है, उसे हम कहते हैं क्लाउड पॉइंट, और वो टेम्परेचर जिस पे हमारा फ्लूइड सीज टू फ्लो हो गया है उसे हम कहते हैं ए पोर पॉइंट। Then we can put out the temperature of the cloud point and the pour point in the result table। Basically, the significance of that pour and cloud point is used। ये हमें ये बताता है कि हमारा जो लुब्रिकेटिंग ऑयल है उसका लो टेम्परेचर इंडेक्स कितना है, और जिस वजह से हम इसे मुख्तलिफ एप्लीकेशन में इस्तेमाल करते हैं। फॉर एग्जाम्पल लुब्रिकेटिंग ऑयल जो एक कार इंजन में इस्तेमाल होता है।
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Muhammad Ali Salim. My registration number is 2018CH258. I am discuss here the topic to explain the load and power point with the help of graph. I made a graph between the load and power point to temperature between volumetric percentage. Initially the graph it showed that it is no power point and the load point because it is no chemical added in the diesel fuel. It showed the pure of the diesel fuel. When we have a chemical added in the diesel fuel, it showed that the some value or some percentage of the pure point and the load point in this graph. If the load point is reduced only 1 Celsius height, 1 Celsius height the height volumetric percentage. Therefore, these two tests the Cp is almost unchanged and it may be thought to be constant even though the load point is approximately constant. Pour point is reduced dramatically in all the tests. Ethanol is the most effective additive to alter the flow properties of the test of diesel fuel. And reference it has different reference in the different books. Allah Hafiz.